There are zinnias. And this plant here, I believe, is called the American Beauty plant. And I consider it a weed and tear it out of my garden. I just think it's ugly. Anybody else like it? I don't like it at all. But then again, my garden isn't big enough to have flowers like this. Purple coneflowers, yellow coneflowers over there, white ones. But look at the size of that hen and chick. Well, actually, that's just the hen. I don't see any chicks. But it's enormous. And then that one has kind of red tips. And this one's kind of orange and green. I got cactus in here. Not all, but they do have some. There's one there. Look at the red one. Isn't that nice? And the yellow and white coneflowers. Cactus down here. A lot of succulents in here. Here's a very beautiful garden.
Well, you know how you press down part way to focus?
And it's not mine.
This is the button, the big one right here.
But it's beautiful. I love it.
So you don't drop it. I've dropped it. I don't want it.
And over here is an arch. Do you think I could get Bruce to put one of these in my garden? Well, I'm going to say probably not. And I probably don't have really a place to put one. Hopefully you can see it and hear it. We have a little waterfall cascading down from the hilltop into a pond. And we even have water lilies in the pond. Everything is just so beautiful. And we have another waterfall cascading down from the top. Into the pond. And if it wasn't for the upkeep that waterfalls and fountains require, I got the perfect backyard for putting in a waterfall. And in case you're wondering, we're getting advance notice. Fall's here and winter will be coming.